G'day comrades subscribers, hope you're all well. Just a quick update on my TEC-1G build. I've been stuck for a while. Thankfully Mark has offered to have a look at it himself to see where I've gone wrong. I've checked all the soldering looks fine. I did find one bridged pin, but that doesn't affect the problem that I'm having. I've tried changing some of these chips, no difference. I've tried different RAM, no difference. I've tried different Z80s, no difference. Tried different LCD panel, no difference. Tried different ROM, Mon3 version 1.5, 1.6, although in this case it's talking about the diagnostics. No difference. I'll show you what I mean. So let me just zoom in and we'll run the diagnostics. Okay. So we get this corruption first, and it's the same each time. It's really, really strange. So this is all, so the code's running, most of this text is okay. We can run the LCD test, and all these characters are fine. So there's no corruption here. It's printing it's going through all the characters in the LCD. But then at the end, we get this. It's like some random rubbish from the ROM. So it's really, really strange. Everything else is pretty much runs okay. I can do a RAM test, but I don't think it does anything too involved. Just says that there is RAM there. Okay. I think anything down here. GLCD test is okay. We go there, we get this corruption again for this diags version info. How strange. So if we, because I've got Brian's book that he's just released. So I got this one from Amazon. So this is for his version 1.6 of Mon3. It's pretty neat book. So he's done a really nice job. So I'm looking forward to going through it a bit more, but I need to figure out what my problem is, because that's the diagnostics. If we switch to the actual Mon3, I'm not sure which one it is. Now to actually get Mon3 to work, now it doesn't boot. I think I have to press reset if I am on Mon3. I'm not sure which bank it is. Okay, let's try this bank. Zoom in a bit. Reset. Oh, halt. Okay, it could be, let's try this bank. Okay, that's the diagnostics. So which one was I again? This one. I think that's the diagnostics again. So Mon3 is definitely on here, but it's not. I get this junk on here. There, okay, now Mon3 is loaded, I think. So I don't know what's going on. I should get it like a splash screen when it boots, according to Brian. We should get that, but I don't get it on mine. So something really weird. So it's all seems to be okay. Credits, no problem there. It's all working fine. It's just when I boot, so I don't know if there's some sort of race condition. Okay, now it's booted. So yeah, something strange going on. So once I get that sorted, well, Mark sorts it for me. He's also sent me the TEC-1G graphics board for the TMS 9929. So I'm actually going to try a Pico 9918 on this. Yeah, so that's going to be pretty cool. But yeah, so sending this off to Mark, and you can see where I've gone wrong. That's it. That's all for now. Talk to you later. Bye.